Hello everyone! Today I want to share with you my new summer journal. But before anything else, I want to share with you as well most of all my softcover journals. Don't you think they look just amazing placed all together? This has been my spring journal. If you've been watching my previous videos, you know a few days ago I added this button for the closer, and today I also added this metal label holder on the spine. It is a little sad to say goodbye to this one, as we have spent some hard times together and that makes it so special. But I have made this new one that I really love. It is not completely finished, it doesn't have a closer yet, because I prefer to see how it will going on and then decide to add a button, a ribbon, you name it. I also like to study my previous journal to find little points that maybe I didn't enjoy. For example, the spring journal had a really big spine and at the end it was a little hard to manage it, so this time I decided to make a thinner one. It has a lot of pages inside. Some of them are binded and others are loose, so depending on the moment I can use a pre-made page if I don't have a lot of time, or use a loose one if I am in a creative mood, which is my usual mood by the way, but just in case. So now it is time to say goodbye to the spring journal, giving thanks to her for all the moments we spent together. But now it is summertime with my new summer journal. I know we will live a lot of adventures together and I can't wait for it. And of course, as always, I will share them with you to hopefully inspire you. This is all for now, but I see you very soon. Bye bye.